even if you want to.
The getting down is not real smooth. All sorted out.
Está bien, está bien. Vale. Hello, sorry. Hello, hello.
Yep.
Hello, señor. Señora. Yes. ¿Qué de cambio? ¿Aquí? No, no.
Me up here? No, I'm staying here.
Okay, good. Down.
I thought I was recording earlier, but apparently not. Okay. Rochelle, what are you doing?
Taking pictures of that camel pooping.
Oh, lovely. I'm glad I've got the camera aimed at you and elsewhere instead of elsewhere. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we don't need that. No, we don't need that. Okay, doke. This is going to be an exciting ride. Better he did that before he got up, huh? Yeah.
This is kind of different.
Actually backwards.
That one's tinkling.
Yeah. And they're putting sandbags as ballast to counterbalance. Hold them tight.
Hold them tight, fuerte, okay? Arriba, Ramona. Ramona, Bertie.
Good job, Ramona.
We're not up yet.
All right. You did it.
All right.
Good job, Ramona.
I want to turn around. I can possibly mail you a shot. That'd be cool. If we ever get the opportunity to get together.
That's it.
Do my best here for you. One more. Yeah, if you want to give me a way to mail it, I can try the same thing. Oh, that would be wonderful. Thank you. Take your time because I don't want to hit the ground.
What'd you think about this?
So far, so good. This is Ramona.
That's Ramona, yes. I
Hey,
did get
don't
Ramona.
lean this way.
Oh, okay.
You're making me go down.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Ramona. I'll stay still. And we're underway.
Tira, venga. Vamos, ven. Vamos. Dame, ven. Sigue. Vamos, sigue. Sigue. Vamos, ven. Vamos.
Hi, guys.
Nice knowing you.
You guys are a bunch of movers. No.
Movers and shakers.
Sube. Sube. Vamos, Fermín. Sube.
It's not your smoothest ride. She's all by herself. Got ballast. Ramona, you're doing well.
This is awesome.
Oh, that one decided to get up on her own. She's tired of sitting. Huh? They are little, aren't they? There we go. You see the camera? It's looped around my hand.
Okay, so email is easy. Yeah, when I'm thinking, I take pictures all the time.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. She might attack.